guys, it's Amy. I am coming again. So today's video is a little different. As you can see, I do have my full face done. I actually just wanted to talk to you guys about the Online Makeup Academy. As you guys know, I have been taking classes. If you didn't know, I am taking classes to become an official makeup artist. So I signed up for the Online Makeup Academy. Now there's different points and everything you can do. There's the advanced one, there's just the basic, and then there's the master. And when you do the master course, you get both the advanced course and the master course in one, and that's the one that I decided to do. They send you an amazing makeup kit. It's amazing. Some of the products that you get foundations, concealers, you get lip products. Hold on one sec. So this is actually the box that they sent me. As you can see, it says Online Makeup Academy. I'm just going to show you a few of the things that you get. So the foundation you get is actually Makeup Forever foundation. They're really great foundations. They're HD. You also get their Makeup Forever concealers, so you get a bunch of different shades in those. You get the Smashbox Full Exposure Palette, which looks like this right here. You also get their contour palette. It says Online Makeup Academy, so it's their contour palette. Eyelashes, more Smashbox. This palette is just gorgeous. It's just a full-on glitter palette. You get, of course, you get primer, and you also get some items from Inglot. So this right here is an Inglot lip gloss, and you also get the Inglot Duraline. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a product that you put in anything dry, and it brings it back to life. Did I say eyelashes? I don't know, but they send you eyelashes too. So that's just some of the things. That's not even half of the items that they send you. It's definitely worth it. They go in depth about how to do from the basic everyday eye into the smoky eye. Like I said, I just finished my advanced course. I'm about to start my master class. I'm super excited about it. You get more into if you're going to do runway or creative looks and stuff like that in the master one. The advanced one is just basically everyday makeup. There is some pops of color in there every now and then. I did do, I believe it was not a cut crease. It was a halo eye. A cut crease is actually going to be in my master class. I'm super excited about it. Now, the thing that differs about makeup schools and actually on YouTube, because you can search anything on YouTube and find a video on it. But the Online Makeup Academy is different because it's not just, put the triangle under your eyes and bake and do all this extra stuff. No, it's actual makeup techniques from real makeup artists. Now, I'm not saying that anybody on YouTube is not a real makeup artist. Please don't take it that way. I'm just saying that they show you really good in-depth versions of how to do makeup. They talk about the skin tone, the undertone, what colors. Sorry, guys, I have my hair curled and it's the first time in forever. Don't get off topic, Amy. But they teach you what colors go with your color of eyes, eye shape, face shape, lip shape. It just goes into so much detail, and I absolutely love it. I did take some notes. Give me 1 second. Let me go get those notes. All right, guys, so I am back. I found my notes, so I'm just going to go through it real quick. So like I did state, this was the advanced makeup course that I just finished. They do have in-depth tutorials. You take different courses, and each course you watch videos and it explains everything you need to do. They are very in-depth. You will have no questions at the end of each video. I did state the makeup kit also. If you have questions, concerned, you don't really know what to do or how to use a product, You can email them and they get back to you so quick. So quick. Their response is super amazing and they give you some really great feedback. When you do submit, because you do have homework assignments, it is school, so you have to submit. You have to do it on another person, take a before and after picture, and then submit that in. And they'll write back to you and be like, hey, the face looks good. You can add a little bit more blush, blend the eyeshadow a little more. Overall, great job. And it's so amazing, you guys. I can't get over it. It's a super fun thing to do. I'm having a ball. My friends love coming over and I'm like, yay, you're gonna be my model today? Yes, perfect. Speaking of models, I am about to do the master course, so if any of my fellow friends, YouTubers out there are in the Vegas area, email me and maybe you can be one of my models for the master class. It does teach about the true makeup application. Like I did state, it's not YouTube tutorials. It's in-depth, like professional TV makeup styles, you guys. They always answer any questions and concerns. They're really quick to reply to the homework assignments that you submit. They're super quick on the response to that. And overall, it's definitely worth the money. It's kind of expensive. It was $1,200. But like I said, they do send you the extended makeup kit and it's worth it. You get so much training, so much learning. You get a lifetime access to the course. So like a year from now, if I'm like, oh, how did I do that again? Like I'm working on a magazine and I'm like, wait, how did I do that creative look? I can go back and rewatch it. It's lifetime access to the website and to your program and everything. And I would recommend this course to everybody who wants to learn the true style of makeup. It's just, overall, you guys, I'm having a great time. I'm done with the first one. I'm so ready to do the master class now. This is when all the fun gets in. We're going to get into glitter and all that jazz, and I'm just really excited. I did take a sneak peek at the master class, and we're going to do like 1930s, 1960s, 70s. Like I'm going to have to recreate all these different looks from different time eras, and I'm super excited about it. But I just wanted to let you guys know all about the Online Makeup Academy. If you guys have any questions, I will leave my email in the description below. So go ahead, send me an email. I'm happy to discuss any questions or concerns you may have about the course. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Mwah!